Hello everyone, and welcome back to another DataTill tutorial video. In this video, we will be having a look at the marketing setup within the DataTill sales module. So let's start by navigating to the marketing setup page. So go to Sales, Sales Setup, and then Marketing Setup. Here you will see two promotions, Double Data Top-Up and Refer a Friend. When Double Data Top-Ups is enabled, all data top-ups done during the period below will receive double the data allocation requested. When a pop-up is added, a prominent blue box will display if the promotion is in effect on the pop-up screen as seen here. When Refer a Friend is activated, customers can refer friends and earn credit matching the referred friend's recurring bill. Referred friends also get a discount as specified. It's important that invoices from referral to receipt include both non-data and data products on the same invoice for proper discount allocation. Separate invoices for data products will lead to incorrect discount allocations. You can follow the on-screen descriptions to complete the setup of the Refer a Friend promotion. This concludes today's video on the marketing setup. Please remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date with any new DataTill training videos. Thank you for watching.